Beginning, I think I need to, because I need to sync my workspace again, and I think we did this last time,
Hmm.
but maybe I will need to take note on the steps because I don't remember everything. So I'll share my screen, and if you could please guide me to do this sync.
Okay.
So,
So you can
yep.
introduce and say what we are planning to do today.
Okay, so guys, today we are planning to bring up the SD card feature on the NuttX board. We could get a alias for this board. So the name is too big. So how can you call this board? NuttX community board. So
Yeah,
something
the
like that.
maybe STM32F 401
Dash
board.
RS 405. So it's too long.
Yeah, it's too big. We need.
And so I share my screen, and so the plan is to add the SD card support on this board,
Yeah.
and let's do so. So I think I need to first to sync my forked project on GitHub. So here are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah. I think
Okay,
it's already online in YouTube.
okay. So let me see. I need to pull the changes from the upstream, right? And force push on my origin. Is that right?
Yeah. Now just confirm you are in the upstream branch, typing git branch.
Okay. It's so if my voice starts to fade, let me know because sometimes this microphone is not working very well. So let's see. I can change if you need it.
Right.
I think it went so the upstream. So I have
Yeah.
two masters here, right?
Yeah. So you need first to go to upstream. Just type git checkout upstream,
Okay.
checkout upstream. So when you go to upstream, you now you
Okay.
sync with the you pull, yeah,
Okay. Let's go.
the commits from the master. Yeah.
Okay, so the latest one is a comment from Nathan
Yeah, it's from yesterday.
yesterday. So okay,
Yeah.
so it's very
Yeah.
recent.
Also, Rodrigo, it's a good idea to go to apps directory. So cd
Okay,
uh, dot apps, yeah, and do the same. Confirm you are in the
I
upstream.
think here I have this one
Oh,
removed
yeah.
because I didn't fork this project because I didn't contribute to this yet. So
Okay. So we don't need
would be
to.
just cool, right?
Yeah, we don't need to do it now. So don't don't
Okay.
don't you worry. So go back to there. Maybe we can do it later to not because today
Okay.
we spend more time to create uh, the SD card support. So no problem.
Hmm. Okay.
Now
So
we can create the branch. So you can type git checkout minus b or dash b.
okay.
Um, for example, STM32F401 STM32F401 uh, underscore or yeah SD card, for example.
Oops.
Yeah,
Okay. Well, okay.
sure. What were
No, my question was about because I'm already creating a local branch to work on it, but I didn't sync my fork project.
no
So
no problem because you are just creating a branch to work locally. So later you can
Okay.
sync your separate branch with this. Imagine like you have a branch with will have all the features you are working on, but each features you add in a separated branch just to not mix or not
Hmm.
mess with many things. Okay?
Okay. Okay. In my daily work, I use Garrett from Google, so it's a little different from the GitHub. You don't have to have two remotes for that. So I'm trying to learn here. Okay, so
Yeah.
from now you can start coding or
Yeah.
anything else here. Okay, so let me share my VS Code screen. Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, now that we have the branch, we can start creating copying the needed files. So, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So are you able to see my screen?
yeah, yeah.
Is
I
the
can,
size okay?
yeah, it's good.
Okay, so let's close everything here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And I try to use this terminal here to copy because this way I don't need to change the screen and
yeah,
lost some time during this. So
yeah,
let's try to operate in this shell here.
yeah. You can use just a single,
Window,
also,
right? Yeah.
yeah,
Okay,
window.
so let's go to Word, right? Word
Yeah, since we are going to copy, maybe you can copy
from
using
here.
yeah, the IDE itself. It's not so
Okay.
difficult. So, I mean,
Oh,
you don't need to go in the terminal.
okay.
You can use
So
you can copy
okay,
by the sidebar of
okay.
the,
I see. Okay.
yeah.
So here is our project.
Yeah,
Uh,
we will copy the files from STM32F4 discovery board. Yeah,
that one, right? So
yeah.
we have here. So which files do you need to copy?
Only the STM32
Okay.
SDIO.
SGIO, this one here. Okay. Copy.
Yeah.
And let's go to source here and paste here.
Okay. Hello, Alison.
Oh,
Alison is also here.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
there's something wrong here. Just a second.
Yeah, just copy this file and put it in our board in the F4.
Okay.
Good. Yeah,
As usual, we like to change the name. STM32. Let's see.
yeah, yeah, correct.
I will
And also the include file,
get,
the,
get
the
more
header.
space here. So here you have a different one. You have the STM32. File. That is this file here, right? So,
Yeah,
okay, let's go down.
yeah. See, we have we define have SDIO, so we need to
Mhm.
define this have SDIO. Um, Also, as you can see here, GPIO, SDIO, NCD is the card detection. Do we have the board schematics to show, to search for the
Yes,
SD card so we can see the pin?
yeah, sure. Let me just change the.
Mhm.
I was thinking to do something different. Let
Uh,
me.
Maybe I can
Okay,
copy
that's
the,
okay.
okay, go ahead if you find it.
So
Yeah,
I think now guys can see, right? So
yeah, it's in the
let's
left,
check the.
yeah, in the left side. Oh, it's in there. In, it
Oh,
was in the
isn't
left
it?
side.
Oh, okay, here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So let's see, the card detection is the CD underscore SD underscore CD is the other side. Yeah,
Okay,
this one.
this one here.
So let's search for this S, SDCD so we can see what is the pin. Okay, you find it.
Uh,
Is the PA8, correct?
um, yes, yes, there is a little, okay,
Yeah,
let's
it's a
see. So,
little displaced, but yeah, it's the
okay,
P.
so I will take note
So
of
we
this.
will need to
So,
define this pin.
okay,
Okay, you
so
can close the schematic now.
SCD is for CG is
Okay,
PAH. Just take note here.
yeah,
But if you,
you are writing down the pin.
yeah,
Okay,
because,
no
um,
problem.
okay, let me go back to this code. I try to do this fast so you can move fast to finish today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so where did you define this?
Yeah, actually this one is defined here, but we need to define this SDIO in CD pin. If you go back in the STM32F4 discovery board,
Okay,
you see there is the discovery board um, file. Yes, this the last one.
the
Yeah.
.8 here, right? So,
So here we have, I think it's in the top. We have
okay,
many definitions related to SD card. And
let's,
also it's a little bit confusing for people that are coming to NuttX because we have two kinds of the SD cards. Sorry, two way to use the SD card. You can use the SD card over SPI. That is low and not good, but in some microcontrollers that doesn't have SD card SDIO interface, it's an option. So yeah, let to find it.
so it's have SJ. Okay, so that's the second. Okay, so
Yeah, this
first of
one.
all,
Uh, just copy this line
okay, so I will be
and go to our board header. Yeah, I think our already has something related to MMCSD, but is over SPI. This one, right?
okay,
Just copy this the line you copied before this if that, or you can put later. Yeah,
okay.
before
I will put it here.
yeah, in
Um,
configuration.
okay,
Yeah,
so okay,
here you can actually let's do it differently. You can remove this line and just rename this MMCSD1 because this MMCSD1, if you see, is related to SDIO, but yeah,
okay. I
change
see.
it to SDIO. Yeah, now and
Okay,
here on the F, yeah,
STL. Okay.
correct.
So how about this config here? Define this config here. Is that okay?
Yeah, they're okay. They are
Okay,
fine. Okay,
okay,
go back. Move the tab again to yeah,
okay.
the
To
other. The
discover, right?
yeah, to discover. Let's move
That's
down. There's some
to the
other.
next. That's already. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. You can copy this line before after that. Sorry, this SDIO minor and the SDIO slot,
this one here. So, okay, put
and
here.
put
We
it
can
after the check. Yeah. Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Here's okay. Okay,
Where is undef? Use define SDIO minor minor
okay.
as zero. The undef
So,
became define.
so we want to change this on def to define, right?
Yeah, define SDIO
Okay.
minor to
Okay.
0
0.
and remove
Okay.
space to align.
Yeah.
Yep,
Oh, sorry.
no problem.
Okay.
The line,
Okay.
yeah, the space before.
That align this because
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, now we need to define the pin. Go back to discover header
Okay.
and search for NCD card detection.
Pin
NCD.
city.
Next.
Okay. There's a lot of things here.
Yeah, just copy. That's correct. Just copy the line.
Could I copy the comment as well so you can update later?
We don't need.
Could-
It's
okay.
not no, it's not necessary. Just copy
Okay.
the content. Define GPIO.
This one here, right?
Yeah.
The and the two of it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And yeah, put it in the line below.
Okay.
You can save my
That's
space. You can left
yeah.
some space
Here.
for it.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's aligned. Okay.
And you need to remember it was PA8, so you need to port 8,
Yeah.
pin 8.
Or A PH.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can align also the GPIO input with the GPIO port.
Yeah. So
No, remove one.
the
Yeah,
the opposite, right?
The GPIO with the GPIO.
Okay. Yeah. Like that one.
No, yeah, this one. Okay.
Mhm.
If you, yeah, it's just some alignment. It's not so important. It's more aesthetics, but yeah.
Okay.
Um, I think to make it more clear, you can add some space also after this slot number, so it will be easy to people to realize this GPIO NCP. So NCP.
The,
Yeah,
so you
add
mean here?
a empty line. Yeah, after that.
Oh, empty line. Okay. I'm afraid of adding empty lines because I sometimes I have too much empty lines in the.
Yeah, but this one is a good idea.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, I think we are done for now. Maybe we couldn't miss something, but yeah, for now, you can save and close this file.
Okay.
Actually, no, don't close yet. I
Yeah.
remember.
Okay.
Also, we have, you go back to the Discover header and
Okay.
still search for the SDIO. Yeah,
Okay. So this one already copied.
yeah, there are many
Um,
options. We don't
this
need this
one.
one. Okay,
Okay.
move down.
This one already copied.
Mm-hmm.
This. How about this?
No, we don't need.
Okay. So let's go into the indiff. Okay. And the next one, we already
Already
copied.
there. Okay.
This
This
initialize
one.
it.
Yeah,
Maybe it's
yeah,
audio.
yeah. You can copy these lines.
Okay.
Yeah,
I copy the comment section.
including the comment. Copy it.
Okay.
Go to your
Let's go
board.
back here.
Go to the end of the file, the
Okay.
bottom of the file. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, put it after that line.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's correct.
So, okay. Save.
Yeah, you can save it
Good.
and exit and
Good.
close.
Okay. So, okay. Let me close these two files here. This one. I changed anything in this one?
Yeah, this one is the file that we changed. If you move down, you see there is a SDIO initialize that we need to use.
Okay.
See, no, the interrupt, okay, and this one
Okay.
STM32 SDIO initialize. This is the function that initializes the pins. For example, the S, the GPIO SDIO card detection pin, negative card detection, and yes, it set up the SD card initialization. You can move down. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's it, and it initialize the SDIO, initialize the yeah all the things related to SD card.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we need to call this function. It is called in the STM32 bringup.c. So let's copy it from the STM32 board as well. Go to,
Okay. So, doing that.
yeah.
This SDIO, I can close it. I don't use anymore.
Yeah, you
Right?
can close if you want.
Okay. So here on the right you have the Discover one, and then the left you have the Power Board. So
Yeah. You can search for SDIO.
okay.
Yeah. We'll copy exactly this block, this if def, and
Okay.
yeah. Also, yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, you put after the ngif. Yeah, this ngif.
Okay.
And also change this f error to syslog because yeah, we want it.
This one here.
Yeah,
Okay.
we want it to be on syslog, and put
How?
the
How?
log error like in the
Okay.
sorry,
Okay.
someone
No problem.
bothered.
Go ahead. No problem.
I will put in the mute. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you
Okay.
can close this one as
Save.
well. You can save and close.
Okay.
Yeah. And now we need to modify the def files. So go to fdiscover, you are right there, and open the make.def and search for SDIO.
Okay.
Yeah,
So SDIO
yeah,
here.
yeah. Copy this block.
And go to our board. So
Yeah, after and yeah, go back there.
is there any like do you need to
Hmm?
follow some order here, or
No,
I can
just
put
put
it?
after the last one,
Okay.
after the buttons. Yeah. Normally, it's good idea to keep for example, I like, for example, uh, use the alphabetic order to
Okay.
sort
Yeah.
it, but it's not necessary. Just some people prefer to do this way. Some others prefer, for example, a simple drive will be early. There is no rule of thumb to
Okay.
to force something like that. Okay,
So we need to do the same for the
see make file. Yeah.
files. Let me close this two.
Mm-hmm.
File. File. So okay. SG.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, do the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
And Okay, so what's next?
Okay, I think we modify the most important file. Maybe we can we could have missing something, but yeah, I think we are done for now.
Right
So
for right for test, right? So
yeah, now we need to test. So I suggest you open the normal terminal because the letter is bigger and it is
sure.
easier to people to see. Yeah, this
Yeah.
one. So you can run. You are decreasing the size, but okay.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
this size is good. Uh,
So let's make a
just
skip,
make
right?
this clean. Yeah, it's already clear. So
Yeah, I think I did.
so you can configure the the board with NSH like we normally do.
Uh, let me get the.
Yeah, you can type Control R and configure. It will find it. Configure. Yeah,
Okay, this
this
one.
one. Yep.
So now make and configure.
Yep.
Okay.
Correct. So because we are using the SDIO or for SD card, we need to go to system type.
Okay.
Yeah. STM32 peripheral support or peripheral selection, depend on, yeah, peripheral support.
Um,
Yeah, just for yeah,
okay. Now, okay.
and search for SDIO. Sometimes it's called SDIO. Sometimes it's called
So just slash and
no. You don't need.
STL.
You don't
Okay.
need it. Just move down. It's there are no many options, so you will find it
Okay.
very easy. Yeah,
Okay.
this one. So you can go back
Okay.
now. Move down. There is a. We don't need to change it for our case because I will explain. Try to move down and find the SD yeah
STL
FDIO
configuration.
configuration. Yeah, this one.
Okay. STL.
For example,
Okay.
uh, if do you remember you have many pull-ups in our board in the
Uh
SD
huh.
card schematics?
Yeah, I can show here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If our board doesn't have pull-ups, we can enable it so it will use internal pull-ups. But in our case, we don't need to use it.
Don't show the schematics just to the I see the.
If you are with it open, maybe it's a good idea. But
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah, it would be fast. So you mean here, right? So this
yeah,
plug here.
this exactly these pull-ups.
Okay.
For example, imagine we don't have these pull-ups in our board, so we can just use the internal pull-ups in the microcontroller to get it working.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Okay. So in your case, you leave this unchecked.
yeah.
And, okay.
Actually, as I said, we don't need to change it. For example, uh, it's possible. For example, if we don't have um, the four SD card lines used. For example, we are using only one line. We can also use D1. But when you're using only one line, it's like using SPIs. It's very similar. So
Okay.
it's not good for the speed. So in
Yeah.
our case, we keep it.
Just so this just enable the SDIO card support, and I can go back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we can go back again. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, go to RTOS features.
Okay.
go to work queue support
Okay, you can see here.
and enable high priority work thread because the drive need it to work. So you can exit this part.
Okay,
Um, yeah, normally you can use RTOS hooks, but we don't will use it because we already have the bring up working uh, as a NSH hard specific initialization. If we are not using NSH, we can use RTOS hooks and use the late initialize to do that. But in our
let,
case,
let,
hmm?
let's just go here to
Yeah, to
show the
show.
guys the
Yeah,
options.
we can enter that. And custom board late initialize the second. If you mark it, you see it creates like an initialization thread. You can
Okay.
select just to show.
Mhm. Okay, so board stabilization thread stack and
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
priority. So for this one, uh, you're saying that when when the OS boots, if there is no shell, then
yeah,
you create a new thread
exactly.
for the SD card.
Yeah, you remember we selecting the previous example. We need to inside NSH library select have hardware specific initialization.
Mm-hmm.
That option do the bring up initialization.
Okay,
So if you're not using the NSH, the bring up initialization is not done. So we need to use this late initialization, board late initialization to do that for us. So
perfect.
yeah,
Yes.
in our case we are using the bring up, the NSH bring up,
Mm-hmm.
so it's not needed. So we can exit,
Okay,
go to driver, the device drivers, yeah,
okay,
move down into um, MMC, SD, MMC driver,
okay.
yeah, MMC SD driver support, enter on it, yeah. Okay, as you can see, it is using MMC SD SPI transfer support. We don't want to use that. Also, there is a write protection ping. We don't have this write protection ping. You can disable it,
So enable both of this.
yeah, and enable
And the
this one,
SKU, right?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. The remaining is correct, so we don't need to use that.
okay,
We need to modify. You can exit again, go
okay.
to file systems.
Um,
You pass it file systems.
yeah, okay, sorry.
Yeah, enable the fetch file system. Move down. Yeah,
Okay, fat.
uh,
Okay,
fetch file system. Also, you can enable upper and lower name. For example, imagine we are using some files from Windows and they have uppercase, and also enable the long name, long file names.
okay.
Yeah, is okay. Uh, Move down and also enable the procfs.
The, which one, sir? Rockefest. Okay,
Procfs.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Need to,
No, no,
need to enable. Okay,
you don't
that's
need to
another option. Yeah,
enable runtime registration or something else. You can exit.
okay.
Yeah, and um, I think now we can go back move up
Okay.
system. Sorry, build setup. And
Okay.
because we are just initializing, it's a good idea to put some debug information, some debug infos. So go to debug options,
Okay.
um, enable debug features,
Okay.
enable, okay, it's already enabled. So move down, uh, file system debug, you need to enable it. Enable error and warning, only error and warning. And
Okay.
move down, there is a MMC as well, SD card, MMC. Yeah, memory
Memory
card,
card.
yeah, enable it. Also, maybe only error and warnings.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe the first time is a good idea to show all the initialization. Maybe even some low-level initialization. Okay, you can enable it.
Okay.
Later we go back here and disable to let people to see. Yep.
And and how about the information here? No, no needs.
No, file
Okay.
system is
Okay.
we don't need. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Okay. Go back. Anything else, or can I save
I
them?
think that's all. You can exit and save.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, and type
Now,
make to compile.
okay. Let's
Hmm.
see.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, it's normal. Yeah, it create the file. Do you have the camera to the board?
I do have, but let me first install SDCard. Okay. And I need to connect the camera just a second.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now I need so I need to change the camera for the. Oh, there's a folder protection that I can see. Goodness. Okay. Mhm. Can I see or? Oh, I need to disable
No.
the effects. So,
Yeah.
okay. For now, you can see, right?
Yeah, you can see it. Okay.
And let me first flash. So, press boot, reset.
Yeah. I will move to. Yeah.
Just confirm that it was detected. Oh,
No. Try to keep the boot zero pressed. Remove the USB cable. Yeah. Try again. Let's see.
okay, sorry.
Yeah.
But I can.
I think
Oh, no, no,
now it's work. Yeah.
so let me flash using that long command there. Just a second. That one, right?
Yeah. Okay. Flashing.
Okay. Let's move to the shell. Reset the board.
Yeah. Okay.
The card is not inserted right now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
It's a little
I can
out
see,
here.
yeah, I can see it by the card detection status, old zero, new zero. When you insert,
Oh, okay.
it changed from zero to one. Do you have?
Can I insert or do you want to?
You can insert and if it doesn't work, we will reset the board. Let's see.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Now let's
okay.
see.
Press enter.
Yeah.
Uh, type ls/dev. Let's see if the MMC SD0 was created. Okay, it's there.
Yeah.
So you have this SD card have file. It's already.
Unfortunately not, but I can add. I can add here
No,
because I just format this.
okay. Its format is okay. So you
Yeah.
can type mount.
Okay.
Press enter. Let's see if the MMC. Oh, MMC is not mounted. Mount the procfs first. Mount
Okay. Now.
dash T
Okay.
space procfs.
Should I pass the back?
No,
The
procfs.
okay. Look, F-
Procfs
altogether.
space
Okay.
slash proc. Yeah. Okay. Now type mount again. Mount again.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So now we will try to mount the SD card. For that we use mount
Okay.
dash T vfat space slash dev slash mmc sd0 space slash mnt mnt m oh sorry mnt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This one.
try it this one.
Okay.
Okay, now type mount again. See,
Oh,
yeah, the mount is reading all the all the partitions. Yeah,
all the blocks on
yeah.
the partition.
I didn't remember this detail, but yeah, nice. No problem. Let
Okay.
wait it finish, and it will print something.
Okay.
I hope so. Yeah, because
It's not a so large SD card. I think it's 8 gigas, so
okay,
not
good.
sure
Yeah,
how long they count here.
yeah, because if was 1 terabyte, one
So
terabyte will delay too much.
this is they are reading the blocks, addressing the blocks in the SD card, or
It's verifying some information,
okay,
but let's see if it delay too much,
stop
we
right
can
there.
stop it and ignore. But this is why I told you sometimes select the info is too much because almost everything that's happening in the drive, the info, the bug, end up showing.
Okay. So to do the same without this information, we need to recompile by disabling that
Yeah, yeah.
info, right?
Later we will do it. Actually, after you confirm it is working, actually we already did it because you see it was mounted and but yeah, let's see if it's finishing. Maybe even maybe even for 8 GB, maybe it can delete. Okay,
Okay.
finish. Yeah, so as you can see, the VFAT is mounted in MNT, so the file is there. If you type ls/mnt, you print something, yeah, it doesn't have anything there because you just format it, correct?
Yeah.
But if you type, for example, echo quote, double quote, or yeah, hello world, uh, signal, yeah, uh, the slash mnt, uh, test dot txt, test dot txt.
Ah, okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay. If
that
you
now,
if
if
you
I
ls again, let's see.
go,
Yeah,
the file is there.
the file is there.
I have a cat.
Yeah, you can use cat, but cat will print some debug as well. So I don't suggest you to do that now.
Okay. Okay.
Just amount mnt. No, you mount. Sorry,
You mount.
you
You,
mount slash mnt.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now you can exit the terminal and recompile again without the debugging.
Okay. So let's make config.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to remember it was in
Build setup,
build
build setup,
setup.
debug
Debug
options,
off.
and disable enable debug features. We don't need any debug features anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now we can exit and save.
Okay.
Yes. And make and flash again.
Okay.
Okay.
So press and hold.
Mm-hmm.
And let's few.
Yeah.
Let's reset the board
Yeah.
and go back here to.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
You can type
Now,
ls/dev again to confirm the NMC is there. Okay.
okay.
Now you can mount.
Now I need to mount the proc fs,
Yeah, you missed the dash t.
dash t. So fs
Slash proc.
slash proc. Okay. And now mount the
VFAT.
prefix.
Yeah. Slash dev mmc sd0. No, mnc.
Yep. Image SG0.
Space to slash mnt. Yeah. Now,
If you type mount, it'll be very fast now. I
yeah,
hope so.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, so there's no debug.
exactly. And
And I can see our file there, right?
I suppose it should be there. Yeah. Now
Okay.
you can type the file you was willing to use, the cat slash
Ah,
mnt.
okay. Because now there's no debug, so
Yeah.
it should be fast, right?
And it will not mess with the context.
Okay.
Very good. If you type help or question mark in the terminal, you see there is the make fetchfs. This command is used to format the flash. So for example, if you amount the MMT and run this command to MMC SD0, you can format uh, the SD card from NuttX terminal as well.
Uh, do,
Yeah,
that,
we can do it.
that, okay, so
Amount slash MMT.
um, MMT,
Yeah,
okay, and
and
now in
MK
FS,
FS
oh, sorry, FS.
slash dev MMC SD0.
Do I need to pass any
No,
parameter?
only it is enough.
Okay.
Or it's fail with error
Uh,
23.
is there any type on the name here? Let's see.
No,
MCC.
what is the error 20? Let me open here and see.
Okay. Is there a kind of the if I tap the mask, they could you have some information?
Yeah, I will use the include error number .h and search for 23. There is a 23 is en file, file table overflow. Strange. Why the file table overflow? Type help mk fetchfs. Maybe I am missing some parameters that. Hmm. Yeah.
Size?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's try again using the dash F.
Okay. So,
515. Yeah. F. 5. I was thinking 512 because it's the fetch. I think the fetch size is the block size. I'm not sure. Yeah, try to use 512, but
five,
yeah, but I
one,
think it's not the case.
and so the dev
MMC SD0.
MCC.
No, try the big number like you are planning to use.
Okay, so this is in bytes.
I suppose it is in. Let while you try it, let me see if I use it and make fat in the past.
Maybe it's kilobytes. Right? Let's see. So, oh, there's no okay, FS F 8192. MMC.
Yeah, actually, I don't have.
Still same failure.
I think we are not typing in the. Oh, you are using try another thing, right?
Yeah, I'm searching the Google.
Okay. Did you find something?
In fact, I'm in the documentation.
Okay.
The let's see.
Yeah, I remember normally I don't use the fat size. It wasn't off, but uh, probably um, this SD card is already format, or it use some different uh, size. Let me see here. I will search for this error in the SD card. The drivers, MMC SD. Hmm. Actually, the error is not coming from the driver. It's coming from the file system probably. Yeah, yeah. From inode, fs files. Hmm. Yeah.
Also, this is the minus F is the fat size, so it should be fat 16, or if I don't pass anything, it would be fat 32.
Okay. Yeah.
So if
It
you don't pass anything, it would be fat
maybe
30.
it should be FAT 32, right? Because we are using FAT 32. No,
Okay.
no. I mean dash F 32
Yeah, the chef.
space 32. But I don't think it will be you fix the issue. But let's try.
Okay, so 32. CS20.
No,
Okay.
MMC.
And
M
oh,
MMC
sorry.
SD0.
So,
No problem.
okay. Okay. I think that's right.
Oh, that was the the issue because you format it previously, but strange. It shouldn't be the issue because hmm,
The documentation saying that if you don't pass anything, the fast 32 will be the default. So
yeah,
seems
why
like they are
now it
looking.
worked?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's wait. Maybe it will delay a little bit because the
Oh no. Wait, let me check here.
anyway I will write down this information because
In fact, they are saying that if you don't pass any fee, it will be selected either the FAT 12 or FAT 16.
mm,
But if you want the FAT 32, we need to explicitly pass this in the comment.
okay, I will
So
write it down anyway because
okay, it should take some time, right?
yeah, I think it delay a little bit. No.
So looking to the other comments, you are trying to use like FAT 512.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because it was size, but when you see size, the first thing you think is the size
yeah,
of the card,
yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah, and later I think the size of the block of the sector, and
Mhm.
but actually it's it neither
Yeah,
so it is the size of the type of the flash. Yeah,
perfect. That's nice that the documentation here in the NuttX
yeah. In this
website helped.
yeah it helped.
So now I need to mount this up again just to check the file is not there anymore. So let's mount. Uh, Misty,
VFAT
if that, that,
right
nice,
there. No, MMC
and
MMC SD0
yeah,
2 slash MNT. Yeah, yeah, work it.
if you go to MIT, it should be empty now.
Yeah, it's empty because you format, and now you can try to write again using the echo, for example.
Okay, so echo new into into S2
Yeah. Now you can
and can
ls.
can
You can
open
ls again to see it's there,
okay.
and now you can get. Yeah, cool, very cool.
It's working.
Yeah, very nice. Congratulations, Rodrigo.
Oh, congratulations to us. Thank you for the help.
Okay, very nice. And I will write down this information because it's very useful. And so I think we are done for today as well. So not yet. I suggest you to create a dev config. So move to other terminal.
Okay, so is a different one from
Yeah, yeah.
the shop?
Yeah, I suggest for
Okay,
this one we create an SD card because
okay,
this way it will be like a reference dev config for other people. So you
yeah.
type make save dev config.
Save that config altogether.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, enter. Okay, it create a dev config. So
okay,
now you create you need to create a directory inside the your board configs
okay. So let's go there. Boards are
STM32
STM32,
STM32 F1
STM32.
no no
Oops, sorry.
STM no no problem
32.
F1
Okay.
yeah configs
Mm, configs. Okay.
uh, uh, MKD
Okay, so create a new directory, so Kadir,
SD card.
is the
Yeah, exactly.
okay,
Now you go back to the root.
oh, okay, I should, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
and move dev config to
should that,
yeah
right,
to that SD card that you created.
so it works, um, is, should, fix
Mm-hmm.
this card, right?
Yeah, press enter. Now, if you want, you can test it. So you type make this clean,
Okay, let's trust, okay, but make this,
and oh, it's delaying too much. This one, right?
yeah, Not sure. Okay. So config,
Configure. Yeah. Yeah.
and now I need to
Change
change.
NSH to SD card.
Okay. Yeah, is okay to see because a little is breaking the line. So
Yeah.
okay, that's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now just make it.
Let's go to the board already.
Yeah.
Let's flash it. And let's reboot the board.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the shell.
Yeah. And you can type your name dash
D.
A.
Okay,
No, A.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
Okay,
see, it's correct. See the time, compilation time is right now 11,
okay.
11 6. So it's the new version. Yeah.
Let's go to. Let's check the.
Mm-hmm.
So you have instance. So now you can now copy this. Yes. Uh-huh. Slash, sorry, slash, I forget the,
Proc. But there is some
oh,
error in your line, but let's see if you can figure out it.
oh, the minus T.
Yeah.
Minus T. Uh,
Yeah.
and now mount minus T.
Fat. VFAT.
Oh, the fat, yeah. The fat. Then,
Means
C.
SD0.
T.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can, yes, in T, the file should be there. Okay. So the config is okay, is working.
Yeah. So now you can submit it to mainline, and yeah,
Okay,
to have it to have the SD card support in the board. Yeah.
perfect. That's the things we did today.
Yeah, and you just need to add these uh, untracked files, and yeah.
Okay. So I will check for any missing errors here regarding the ESTA space or anything like that, and then I'll create a committee and push that.
Uh, Good, perfect.
Or do you want to do that now? I can do that later, right? Because
Yeah,
we already shown the best uh,
yeah,
lives how to do that. So
exactly. Okay.
okay,
Thank you, Rodrigo.
so that's all for today. Thank you, thanks a lot, Alan, and thank you guys.
Thank you very much. See you.
See you next week.
See
Bye
you
bye.
next week. Bye bye.